For this video, let's filter your search results on Homes.com and turn a long list of listings into results that truly matter. Once you're on the home page, look for Explore and click on it. A menu of options will appear, then choose Full Inventory. A map will appear on your screen. Zoom out on the map, then click and drag using your mouse to explore other continents or locations you want. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of available homes, including prices, property details, addresses, and more. A Homes.com ad may pop up on your screen introducing Smart Search. You can check it out if you're interested. Otherwise, simply click the X button to close it. On the upper panel of your screen, you see the All Filters button. Click it. From here, the filter settings will appear on your screen. Click For Sale. You can filter by price, number of beds, square footage, year built, parking, open houses and tours, home type, and many more. Scroll down to see all the available filter options. There are also choices for interior and outdoor features, so feel free to take your time reading through them. You can also explore new homes for rent, sold, or all properties. Once you're done setting your filters, click the orange button to apply them. And that's how you filter search results on Homes.com. Thank you for watching.